And the following: Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin. Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Herscher, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Rensselaer, Lamont, Hebron, Fowler, and Kentland. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 200 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Lake County Fairgrounds, Porter County Fairgrounds, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and US 41 Dragway. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across northern Illinois. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Lows in the upper 50s. Highs in the lower 70s inland, but only in the upper 60s near the lake. And for Friday night and Saturday, mostly clear. Lows in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lansing, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hammond and Schererville around 4:30 p.m. East Chicago and Highland around 4:35 p.m. Griffith around 4:40 p.m. Merrillville around 4:45 p.m. Gary, Lake Station and New Chicago around 4:55 p.m. Hobart and Ogden Dunes around 5:05 p.m. Portage and Wheeler around 5:10 p.m. Chesterton, Burns Harbor and South Haven around 5:15 p.m. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 27. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 22. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 253 and 261. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for northwest Indiana, including Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Stark, and LaPorte counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. Highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG 689. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 10:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have been reported in under an hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Highland, Munster, Dolton, Griffith, Lake Station, Steger, Glenwood, Whiting, Burnham, and South Holland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG 689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for northwest Indiana, including Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Stark, and LaPorte counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for northwestern Porter and northern Lake counties. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near East Chicago to Schererville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. These severe storms will be near Merrillville around 4:45 p.m. Gary around 4:55 p.m. Lake Station and New has issued Tornado Watch number 211, effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Pulaski, and Stark. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, east central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winfield, or over Lakes of the Four Seasons, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Merrillville, Valparaiso, Hobart, Crown Point, Lowell, Hebron, Boone Grove, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Lincoln Hills, Malden, Winfield, Couts, and KVPZ. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 240 and 250. This includes Valparaiso University and Porter County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG 689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.